Hello everyone, in this video we will draw and label the theme of placenta. The placenta is a temporary organ that is formed when the developing embryo, blastocyst, attaches to and implants in the endometrium. The placenta consists of a fetal portion formed a chorionic plate and its branching chorionic villi. And another villi. Uh, the second part of placenta is formed a maternal portion formed by a decidua basalis of the endometrium. Fetal and maternal blood comes into close proximity in the villi of placenta. Exchange of nutritions, electrolytes, hormones, antibodies, gaseous products, and waste metabolites take place as the blood passes over the villi. Fetal blood enters the placenta through a pair of umbilical arteries. So deoxidated blood um, enters through the two umbilical arteries, branching into the uh, branches of villi. And oxygenate blood return to the umbilical cord through the one umbilical vein and go into the fetus. Um, Maternal blood circulation is opened and uh, the blood flows through the spiral arteries and freely spreads into the space between the villi called intervillous space. Here is a maternal blood. Now we look at closely the individual willows. Willows villi are aligned with multinucleated syncytiotrophoblasts, dark staining, many nuclei. So this is the syncytiotrophoblasts. Beneath the syncytiotrophoblasts is a cytotrophoblast. Uh, at, in the placenta at term, there are only individual cells of cytotrophoblast, but in the early pregnancy, the cytotrophoblast is formed with continuous single layer of cytotrophoblast cells. These cells also called Langerhans cells. The core of villi is formed by extraembryonal mesenchyma with fibroblasts, and there are fetal capillaries, some in the center with fetal blood. At the end of pregnancy, the capillaries are very closely beneath the syncytiotrophoblast, and the placental barrier at the end of pregnancy is formed by syncytiotrophoblast, endothelial cells of fetal capillaries, and fused basal laminae. So now we label the scheme. Here it's a chorionic plate. And branching chorionic willows tree. This space is inter willows space filled by maternal blood. Of course, in vivo. On the surface of the villi is a syncytiotrophoblast. Layer. It's multinucleated. And the next layer is a cytotrophoblast layer. Or Langerhans cells. The core is formed by extraembryonic mesenchyma. And the capillaries of fetal circulation. That's all. Thank you very much for your attention.